asking me how I got the rocket and the grapple hook. Well, it's not from me because somebody gave it, but this, my friend gave me it, and this, somebody gave me it right now in the lobby. So you also need a crowbar or pickaxe. What do you have? And then when you here, you need the grapple hook also, like for real. So then you can shoot, then you can grab. And then here, yeah, that's the mimic. The mimic is also there somewhere. Yeah. I'll try my best to aim. Hey.
Blue, I'm coming back! I'm coming back, Blue! No one cares, no one cares, British people. I'm not British. Ankle leg. I'm not British. Don't kill the mimic. Yes, you are, British. I'm not. I swear I'm not. I'm from Australia, bro. I'm not British. I'm in Australia too. How come I'm not? Because you can get the milk for you when you're not home.
Ouch. It is an obby. Boom. Yeah. As you can see, yes, you're not big enough to go here, and so you need to be small because your body needs to fit in. But they will always push you in here. So I'm just gonna eat some pink broccoli. By the way, yes, I also need a couple of because I didn't got it. I will come to them and see who's the bossy. Yes, so as you can see here, you can become big. You can't even die. Hello.
I'll trade you for that.
Hello guys, you're so small.
Dude, I'll
you're so
trade you for that
small.
bag. I'll trade you for that.
I
I
killed
like
the
that
guy,
one. I like that one.
Like this one? Alright.
Kill the who?
For both or just one?
Yo, what's up, small humans? Hello, small humans. Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you? Hey, bro, do you want me to help you? Let me go mine for you. Just let me go mine. Oh, come on. Where did my crowbar go?
I'm ready. My task to kill.
Don't kill me, bro. Bro, why are you trying to kill me? For no reason.
Because I killed you already.
Bro, don't kill me, bro. Like, why are you being toxicity? Why are you trying to kill
You're
me?
dead. You're bad. You're dead. You're dead.
You're dead, bro.
Wait, what was that? What was that? What was that noise?
What
So,
was
did
what?
anyone know how to get? Did anyone know how to get gold revolver? I have purple. I want to get gold.
You can't get gold revolvers. They're not in the
released
game
yet.
yet.
Well, then what is this?
Then how?
Gosh.
We're gonna kill him, bro.
Oh.
Die again.
No, you don't need it. Anyway,
Join the code TCH if you want to be part of my clan. Join the code TCH if you want to be part of my clan.
oh, come on.
What?
Nothing.
Let the mimic follow us. Go, buddy. Go outside.
on.
Go down. Go outside. Go, let the mimic go outside. Let the mimic get some fresh air.
What is it? I'm just gonna mine. I'm just mining. What is the problem?
Mimic? Oh yeah. Hi, mimic. You gotta stay close. Blue?
Ah, dang it.
Go, 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 go.
Where's the mimic?
Go! Don't kill the mimic. Don't kill the mimic.
Where's the mimic?
Guys, come back. Guys, come back. Guys, come back. Come back.
What?
Yep, I'm coming.
Did
Don't
the
run away
mimic
from it
die?
too far.
Finally, then.
Yep.
Come on.
Guys, don't move fast.
The spider's protecting the mimic.
Oh, shit.
Alright, what's your name? Yo, I did not mean to do that.
Oh, hell no, hell no, hell no. Discuss.
I mean, my weapons.
Just gonna mine.
Follow me.
No way.
Where are you?
Me too.
One guard.
Come on.
Money talks.
Oh, I'm scared.
Fine. Is it full?
Has anybody got a shredder I can have?
Done mining.
Can
Okay.
someone give me a piece of dynamite? Can someone give me a piece of
I'm
dynamite?
gonna guess something.
Can someone give me a shredder?
Yo, can I have that? Can I have that?
If you want to go in the maze with me, go and code
Yo,
8622.
can you give me a dynamite?
Go and code 8622.
Man, dude.
8622.
Yo, come here.
Code 8622 if you want. 8622.
Hold up.
8622. I need the new pistol, please. Somebody.
Trade with me.
Yo, come here.
What's up? You guys got money. You guys
Yo,
got
Green, come
money,
here,
didn't
come
you?
Help me! Help!
Yo, Green, come here. No.
Don't kill him! Don't kill
Bring
him!
it back.
Hi, man.
Does anyone want to trade?
Where'd you put the gun?
I want to trade
You want the gun?
golden revolver for something. Okay, yeah, I gotta go.
Where'd you put the gun? Wait. Bring out the gun again.
Gonna put this in
Like,
the
can I see
stash.
the other golden revolvers?
Yo, what's up?
I got galaxy ones too.
And green ones.
Let me see.
Where is he?
Guys, don't kill the mimic!
Let me see all the guns that you have.
Oh, shoot! Bro, what is the problem? Like, what is the problem? Who attacked me? What is the problem?
There he is.
That's the mimic! Oh my gosh. How did the mimic come out? Oh my
What's it for?
I'll have to wait till top. Oh, dude! Oh, don't kill the mimic! Don't kill the mimic! We're having fun. Don't kill the mimic.
I'm good.
It doesn't give you money.
Who cooked? But, we're not done killing mimic.
You want to
Coda, calm down, Coda.
Why
Coda, calm
why
down.
can't I kill a mimic?
I swear,
Why
Coda.
can't
I swear, Coda. I am armed. If you get me low, I'm going to shoot. Okay, Coda.
Who wants to start a campfire? Who wants to start?
Why can't I kill him? Why can't I kill him?
Finally.
I'm not even moving, bro. moving.
I love.
Wait, what if I do this? Hey,
Leave him alone, leave him alone.
Coda.
Hey, Coda.
That's his name?
Hey,
His
Coda.
name is Coda?
Don't kill the mimic. Don't kill the mimic. Coda, no. No, why'd you kill the mimic?
Oh my gosh, I got scared.
Coda, no! Coda, no! Coda, speak to me, Coda! Coda, no!
There's
Coda!
Coda, no.
Yeller! Messiah!
Coda, no.
Coda!
Yeller.
We're going back in the cave.
where-
We're going back in the cave. We're going
Let's go get the mimic again.
Why do you guys want to get
We
some
gotta
mimic?
find a new Coda. We gotta go find a new Coda. This time, don't kill Coda.
I
call
don't
him
know who
Coda.
killed him.
I can kill
It
Coda
was,
for
it was
easily.
bad. Oh yeah, this is our light source.
I'm bringing it with me. You can go with it.
Ignore this one.
Do you have any, like, look, let me show you why.
Okay, now we can go get the mimic. Change this one. Wait, don't kill the mimic.
Like these. Do you have any, like, different sized apples? And
Whatever.
go,
I'm just gonna mine something else. Oh. Mimic.
Coda?
I'm rich as hell.
Oh my god.
Boy, I'm rich as hell. I'm gonna be so rich as hell.
Someone shoot it. That was in your butt crack. Shoot it. Wait, I wanna go on a piece of butt crack.
Buy me broccoli.
Okay. Who?
No thank you.
Who wants to fill this bag with broccoli and I'll give them a golden revolver?
Golden revolver doesn't exist.
Give me the revolver first.
Yes, it does. Stupid head.
How?
Fill that bag with this, and I'll give you a golden
How do you mine in this game?
How do you get that?
What the hell?
What is that? What is that called? What is that called?
Bro, can you go to office?
Gold
Golden
revolver.
A very good player.
Dang, how do you get it? How do you get it, bro?
Golden.
Please tell me how to get it.
It's with. Oh wait, this is a galaxy.
How do you get it? Like, bro, please
No
tell
way,
me
you
how
just
to
ate
get
your
it.
grape. No way, you just
Yeah, I
ate a
did.
grape. No, why do you
Yeah, I
eat
ate a
it?
grape. What are you gonna do about it?
How do you get it, bro? Please tell me how to get it. Tell me, bro.
It's admin only.
What?
It's admin only. It's an admin or mon.
What's admin only?
I don't
What's
even know.
admin only?
It's the golden revolver.
Oh, I have.
I really don't have any like apples.
Do you need to be admin or
But
are
it
you an
really.
admin?
We're trying to make.
Is there anything else I can trade you?
The OG Animal Company player or
Is there
the
anything else I can
how do you get that player? Please tell me how to
Golden
get it
revolver.
and add it that in
Hello,
the
bro.
next
That has one thing.
day. So yeah, let's go. No, 10. Oh, let's get to see what can I buy. So at this,
Can anybody give me a box fan?
cube dynamite. Oh come on. Didn't
First one,
explode.
GG.
Box fan, please. Please give me a box fan.
First one to join the code GG76 gets a free money gun.
Flare
Oh my
gun.
god, only one, bro? Only one.
GG76, you get.
Can somebody give me a free box fan, please?
money gun.
Oh, it has ammo.
I will be hiding a tiny money gun. Money gun. I am hiding a tiny.
To go over there, I'm just gonna need to go to a revolver.
I don't have small one.
I'm gonna do this. Boom. As a game. At least I already have my crowbar. I can do that again. So yeah. Don't need it anyway. I'm rich. And my living sucks. Yeah.
Can anybody?
I do.
Piece of bottom.
What? What do you mean?
I'll trade for it. I'll trade the gun.
The golden one. I have a lot of
What the heck?
golden.
Can I trade that?
Come on.
Can I trade that?
Can I trade that?
Wait, you wanna trade? You wanna trade? You wanna trade?
I just
Yes, sir.
want a gold. No,
I'll trade you this.
I want to trade too.
Please, I need another.
I'll give you
I'll trade you.
pumpkins. I'll give you pumpkins.
Oh,
Pumpkins? What is that?
I already have one.
That's
Look.
rare. That's rare.
I had a smaller one.
Rare?
I need.
Look.
Oh yeah, I'll give you this.
Pumpkins.
Another thing. Another
These
thing.
are very rare.
Wait, well, I'll give you this.
that.